So before we had access to BI Vision, we were tracking our business performance quite manually, so through spreadsheets, and then creating reports, from scratch, basically. So yeah, with BI, it definitely makes it more streamlined. It's much quicker, and just allows us to see a snapshot quite a bit easier. We use business intelligence reporting for sales primarily, so tracking sales and seeing sales groups. So we use it to see, which salespeople have sold what. We use it to see which SKUs are the most successful. We use it to see our industry breakdown, so how much we sell to supermarkets versus traditional liquor versus hospitality. I think most businesses that are, consumer goods, FMCG, sales it's all about sales. Obviously we need goods to sell, but it has to be sold. So so that's definitely the report that we use the most. Trend or insight that we weren't aware of before using BI, most of them. I'd say it's just, obviously you always have a feel for your business, and we're watching through, through sales orders and that kind of thing, and you have a gut feeling of who you're selling to the most, or which SKUs are doing the best. But really being able to see that and drill down into that. And even when we started using it, we realized we need to have better things set up to be able to pull those reports. So we went through and did a tidy up of, making sure all the salespeople were updated, and making sure that the types of businesses we sell to was updated and that kind of thing. And then we were able to get even better reporting. So it, I guess it's like you don't know what you don't know until you find out you don't know. And it was definitely that sort of situation for us. Our team has to have product and inventory insight. Wow, I mean, just because we couldn't really operate without it. So without knowing, exactly what beers we have, exactly how much we have, with releasing a lot of new beers, we often have really limited amounts. So there might only be 40 cases available. And if we didn't know exactly that those are being sold, or in real time what's going on, it'd be very easy for salespeople to sell the same stock, and then you end up with customers who aren't receiving their goods and are annoyed, and it causes all sorts of issues. So really knowing what inventory you have and where that inventory is located is vital to the business.